Number 14, 24x plus y equals 48. 6x plus y equals 72. The solution to the given system of equations is x and y. What is the value of y? Anytime you have a system of equations, you can solve it by substitution, by elimination, by graphing. I know a lot of students are going to go straight to the graphing. That's fine. Go for it. If you type these into Desmos, you're going to get 2 lines. Anytime you have 2 lines that are a system of equations, you're looking for where they cross. You're looking for that one point of intersection. Because there's only 3 options you get when you have 2 lines. They can either be parallel, in which there are no solutions. They can be crossing, in which case there's 1. Or they can be on top of each other, in which case there are infinite. We are told there's 1 solution, so they're going to cross somewhere. So absolutely, you can plug that into Desmos and get your answer. Just make sure that you're looking for the y value, not the x. Don't make that careless error, because that's just painful. When you get back, you're like, what? I put it into there and yeah, we don't want that to happen. Okay, the other way you can do this is elimination. I would prefer that over substitution. I just think it works better here. And I'm going to show you this too. Even some people, sometimes when I do these problems and people are like, why didn't you just do it this way? Why didn't you use, graphing? That's so much easier. Maybe it is. Maybe in this particular problem it is. But I want you to have the knowledge to do substitution or elimination for those problems where it isn't, where the graphing takes longer. If you have all the tools in your tool belt or your toolbox at your disposal, then you can decide what's the fastest for any given problem, and you're not reliant on that calculator, which sometimes takes longer. Okay, so for this, I'm going to use elimination. Those y's are already lined up to cancel out. So I'm going to multiply everything on the bottom by a -1. So when you multiply all those by a -1, it just changes the sign of everything. So this becomes a -6x, a -y, and a -72. If I add all those together, 24x and -6x are 18x. The y's cancel out. And then 48 plus a -72 is a -24. So if I undo this 18 times x by dividing by 18, then I get that x is equal to -24 divided by 18, or we can simplify that to -4/3, because 6 goes into both of those. Okay, so now I know x is -4/3. I can plug it into either one of these, either one I want. I'm going to go for the 6x plus y equals 72. So if x is a -4/3, to do this quickly in my head without using a calculator, I go 6 times -4, then divide by 3. For me, that's just a little faster than typing 6 times parentheses -4 divided by a -3 parentheses equals. Your mileage may vary. So 6 times -4 is -24, divided by 3 is -8. So -8 plus y, why did I write plus, equals 72. So I have that -8. I want to undo that, so I'm going to add 8 to both sides, and I get that y is equal to 72 plus 8, or 80. So yeah, the only thing I can think about with Desmos for this that might make it a little more difficult is because your answer, that solution to that system of equations, is -4/3 and 80. If you are sort of zoomed in, as most times with Desmos it is, you're really going to have to zoom out to get to that point of -4/3 and 80. So it might make it a little harder to find. But yeah, it's going to be what's fastest, quickest, most accurate for you, and you are the best person to make that call. But those are the 2 ways that you can solve it. Hey guys, just a quick heads up, I've got some cool stuff coming for y'all, including a free course full of SAT tips and tricks, as well as an exhaustively complete course on everything you need to know for the SAT, both math and reading. So subscribe to the channel to get notified when that goes live. I'm also going to put it in the comments and description below as soon as it does. In the meantime, if this video was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.